Adab meaning greetings everyone. So in this video we will look into the syllabus of Islamiyat O level CIE paper code 2058. So we have two paper 1 and paper 2. Both the paper are 1 hour 30 minutes. So you have 1 hour 30 minutes to complete the paper. Both the topics like paper 1 and paper 2 consist of 4 chapters. So first we will look at paper 1. So we have like major themes of the Quran. Like now we have 1, 2, 3 parts. So in these 3 points we have like five of each themes, and these are the questions like candidates should explore. Like this is the major theme of the Quran and the importance of themes in Muslim life today. So like let me show you the paper. Like this is our all like type of the same question, they never change. Like this will come and this will come, part A and part B. And like in both the paper, the question 1 and 2 are like compulsory paper. Like first let me show you the paper. So this is like paper 1. So as you can see, you have 1, 2, 3 themes, and like just look at the question. Describe the main theme in each passage. Explain the importance of these themes in a Muslim life today. A and B, 4 marks, like 4 marks for one question and 4 marks, like 2 2. So 4 mark for each question. So in both the paper, the question 1 and 2 are compulsory. There are total of 5 questions, and question 1 and 2 are compulsory, but the next 3, the last 3, you can choose to do 2. Now we will move forward to the next chapter, the history and importance of the Quran, the revelation. Like the bullet points in Islamia, the bullet points are basically what I call question, reverse engineering of the process. Like from the bullet point we will go directly to the question, not reading like the chapter passages like paragraphs or knowledge, taking knowledge. No, we will directly move forward to the question, because the pattern of the question will never change. This will question will come like this comes rightly in the A part, this A part, everything A part. And I think this is like B part type of question. So let's move to second. The chapter 3 is linked to the Prophet ﷺ, and the chapter 4 is linked to his ashabas, wives, grandchildren, his own children, and 10 blessed. All of this, other than Absalom, their lives, their ways, is first Islamic community, like his wives, everyone. So from this chapter, chapter 3, 2 question can come and 1 question from it, or 2 question from this and 1 question from this. Candidates should study, like as we go, the main events of the Prophet, like from birth to school to Prophet. Like this is like really the A part type of question. Like all the bullet points are really like A and B part. Like in Islamiyat, the scoring of A star is like eating a piece of cake. So easy. The first Islamic community, the wife. The wives focuses on like Hazrat Khatija or Hazrat Aisha. None of them. Like some make them also, but as we move to second paper, paper 2. So in this paper, like the paper 1, they were like Quranic verses, and in the second paper they are like hadith of the Prophet ﷺ. And then also linked to the like 2, the individual conduct and the life in the community. And there will come the passage, like the hadith passage will come 4, the 4 hadith passage will come, and you have to choose 2. This is also like, let me show you the paper. Describe their teaching about what Muslim believe, and explain how Muslim can put these teachings into action. And you have to do 2 hadiths out of 4. So, and in this second part of the paper 2, second chapter, as we have in paper 1, the history and importance of the Quran, we in this paper we have the history and importance of the hadith, like the history of compilation of hadith, the earliest, like this, all like this is the like clearly the A part, like what tactics they use to compile the hadiths. And I've never seen the main feature of 6 collection of Sunnah hadiths and the 4 collection of Shia hadiths. Like this, that's why I've cut it. Like this question has never come, but it's still part of syllabus. So like the last, not the least, the period and rule of the rightly caliphs and their importance as leader. So anything can come from this, like life of the caliphs and how he approaches the community, the main achievement, the difficulties they encounter. So this all are like we have to study only these points. Other than that, the articles of faith and the pillar of Islam, candidate should see, like this is my favorite. This is the most easiest chapter of the paper 2. Like you can see in this chapter, like third chapter is like a little hard. The paper 2 is like little hard due to like third and second chapter, little bit. But the article of faith and pillar of Islam is like the easy, like piece of cake type of question. Like only the same pattern follows. You There are 6 articles about God, angels, books, prophets, God predestination, resurrection day, jihad, 5 pillar of Islam, then all of that. Like this is all the same question. They never change. You have to just memorize the pattern and the answer type of this. So that's it for today. In the next video, we will more look in the paper 1 type of question. We will do some of the verses question, and I will discuss how to take the verse type of question. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe and put the video in your like videos so you will remember to watch it. And that's it for today. Adab.